Finally, we are now to the last season tutorial activities doing the basic condo design. We are doing the entrance ramp and copy-paste to another opposite side. We also doing the concrete canopy slab. I group the whole objects and duplicate the whole building. Use Control and click base form to transfer to another area as you wish to put the object. The object building we did is one unit building only, but we can multiply that building to the site requirements. But in reality, we need the exact location map, and the lot size and the slope terrain area. So now we can adjust, assuming the lot area. About the site development area, we consider the slope or terrain soil, but this lesson, we just basically learn how to locate the building, can possibility to arrange and formation the building, and for me, automatically to put a wall partition wall of the boundary. Once I did the boundary wall partition, I do the offset from property Allen. 60 meters or more away from the wall for garden or trees use. Then I offset again around 5.0 meters for car parking space. And once I did the perimeter parking and road, I make a curve. Tools for the turn, curve for every corner. Now, starting to multiply the buildings for my first schematic design, and possibly to rearrange the buildings in different position, but not I make simplified the design for the tutorial basic purposes. I open my library files to get the basketball court object and to place the unit design in the center of the site building. The opposite side, I'm thinking to put a preschool classroom, but I did not concentrate the design much more to that classroom building. Just remember group the object each unit, like the building and site plan, for individually grouping. I forgot to group the site flat form, so now I did, and I'm aviating to include the basketball court. So now try to click the site plan, that easily to edit the road and landscaping area. So now, I'm in the preschool classroom for basic box building positioning design. I changed the color of the defuelt system with color, and I put asphalt for the road and cement for the sidewalk area. I changed the color of the ground floor using a Bermuda grass, and for the parking I used tiles with standard groove grass. I changed the finishing color of the center island. I use a brick tiles, but this island walkway were possible to change for landscaper for small Japanese garden or park. So this is the final video. Working drawings about the trees, plants, and car are located to my file library, so I get each units to inlay the object's positioning in every corner to make aesthetically and realistic design. This is the final V-Ray design, and I put my previous and other picture V-Ray design. About the rendering, there is much advance like Lumion. They give you a great result presentation, but we need a good resolution high-grade digital computer. How I wish I have that upgraded computer, but for the meantime, I just use this low version computer for our 3D presentation. And I thank God for this knowledge doing 3D presentation, because I express my ideas and share to other students. To learn how to do 3D perspective commonly used by the architects and engineers. Thanks for watching and share my video.